Hi everyone, it's Abby Andrew and welcome back to the René of Paris channel. In today's video, I'm super excited to show you our 4 brand new wigs that just came out as part of the Amore collection for 2022. This year we have 4 new styles as well as 1 new color. And if you want to learn more about any of these styles that I'm going to show in this video, you can check them out at reneofparis.com. You can view the full catalog there and see all of the different colors available for each of these 4 new styles. I'm also going to be trying a couple of different hairstyles on them so that you can see a couple of ideas for how to style them yourself if you happen to get this wig. If you're not familiar with René of Paris and all of our different lines, the Amore collection is really fantastic for people who experience hair loss, like alopecia or anything like that. I personally have alopecia, and I've had alopecia since about the age of 2 years old, and the Amore collection is one of my favorite wig collections of all time for just a go-to, easy, natural looking, and comfortable synthetic wig. Now, that doesn't mean that you have to have hair loss to wear these wigs. Anyone can wear them all the same, but they're just designed to be extra comfortable if you're just going to wear it directly on your bald head. So you'll see in a minute that I don't even wear wig caps with these or anything, and the cap is so comfortable that I don't ever even really feel like it's there. It's very comfortable and easy to wear. So the first wig I'm going to talk about that's brand new from the 2022 Amore collection is this one that I'm wearing right now, which is called Braylen, and the color is Spring Honey Tea. Spring Honey is a color that you might be familiar with, but the T just stands for tipped because it's just slightly lighter at the tips, just to give it a little bit more of a dynamic depth to it. This wig is a really beautiful, short length, kind of wavy, curly style, and it's absolutely gorgeous. This wig might actually remind you of one of our other wigs in one of our other collections, which is called Breezy Waves from the Muse collection. That's another one of my favorite styles, and this one does have a lot of similarities. It does have some differences as well, and we actually do have a video coming out soon that's just going to give a direct comparison of these 2 wigs just so you can see any of the differences. But one of the main things with this wig is that it has a different type of cap construction, and it comes in a wider variety of colors. Because Braylen is part of the Amore collection, it has a lot of the really fantastic cap construction features that most of the wigs in the Amore collection have. For example, it has the really nice double monofilament wig cap, which gives you the really natural looking hairline on the top of your head and the ability to change the part. And this wig also has a lace front as well. With the double monofilament, it allows you to change the part however you want and still have the effect of your scalp peeking through. So it's very, very realistic looking and gives you a lot of styling flexibility. This wig also features a lace front, so if you pull the hair back, it looks very natural on top, and it just looks like it's growing right out of your own hair. So if you wanted to wear a style where the hair is kind of pulled back and out of your face, it'll still look very, very natural and just kind of blend right into your skin. I absolutely love the length of this wig and these really gorgeous waves and curls. They're just so cute. And I really love these bangs as well. You can wear them either straight forward if you want to pull the wig cap back a bit and just have a straight bang look, or you can wear them brushed off to the side as well. If you ever have a wig where you want to trim the bangs, you could always bring them to a professional wig stylist and have them customize it for you. If you need help finding a professional wig stylist to help you modify your wig however you want, you can also visit our website, reneofparis.com, and just find a store locator on there, and someone at these stores should be able to help modify the wig for you in person. Here's what Braylen looks like all the way around. I really love this color and style combo. It's just so charming and cute, and I just really love the way these waves fall and just look so natural. This wig looks really nice just worn down. You can also tuck it behind your ear if you want it out of your face a little bit more. And a style that I think would look really cute in this wig is just a half ponytail, so I'm going to go ahead and put it in that just so you can see what that looks like. If you need tips for how to put your wig in a ponytail, you can check out our video on that as well. I think half ponytails are a really great way to make a wig look a little bit more casual, and it's just a really cute style in general. This wig is just about long enough to put it back into a ponytail as well if you do like that style. Here's what the cap construction looks like for Braylen from the inside. As you can see, it has that double monofilament on the inside. And the double monofilament also just adds an extra layer of comfort so that if you're wearing it on a bald head, it just feels very, very soft and smooth. And here you can see the lace front, which extends pretty far back into the hairline just to give you that really natural looking appearance in the front. And it also has the adjustable straps at the nape of the neck. The next of the new Amore Collection wigs from this year is called Tate, and this color is Rose Gold R. This wig is a really cute, short length, kind of bob style with really nice bangs. And I just really love the way this hair flows and moves around. It's just a very carefree kind of hairstyle. This is a wig style that I could easily see myself just throwing on when I'm in a rush to get out the door, and I know that it's still gonna look cute no matter what. I think this is the type of wig style that would just look flattering on anyone, and it's just such an easy style to wear. And here's what Tate looks like all the way around. Tate has a little bit of permatease around the back of the cap just to give it a little bit more durability and a bit more volume, but it's nothing too dramatic or intense if you don't want a wig that's too voluminous. It just helps the hair to not cling too close to your head. The bangs in this wig can be worn straight forward like this, or they can kind of be brushed off to the side. This wig features the same type of cap as Braylen with the double monofilament and the lace front. So you have that really natural looking part on top and the ability to change the part, as well as that very natural looking hairline. Here's what the cap construction looks like from the inside. Again, we have that double monofilament, lace front, and the adjustable straps at the nape of the neck. This next wig is called Levi in the color Seashell Blond-R, which is this beautiful rooted platinum color. This is the longest length of the new wigs from the Amore Collection this year, and it comes just about to my collarbone. It's just an absolutely beautiful style. This one is a really great option for people who like wigs on a little bit more of the voluminous side, because it does have a bit of permatease around the back, and just gives that really nice, voluminous look. Just like with all the other wigs in the Amore Collection, this wig does feature that double monofilament wig cap, which gives you that natural looking part and the ability to change the part. That way you have a lot of styling flexibility and a very natural looking wig cap. This wig doesn't have a lace front, which works really well for a style like this with bangs straight across, because it's not really the type of style that you're going to be brushing out of your face anyway, so the hairline will always be covered and always just look very natural. This style is a really fantastic combination of a higher volume wig with a little bit of permatease for people who like slightly bigger hair, in addition to that really nice natural looking double monofilament wig cap. I love the length of this wig, and I love how the layers and wisps kind of just add a little bit more texture to the hair. This wig is also long enough to put into a ponytail, so if you ever want to pull it back, you do have that option as well. This wig cap is very similar to the other wig caps that I've shown so far in this video, but it just does not have that lace front. So you have that double monofilament here. You have a silicone strip here to add that extra grip so it helps keep the wig secure on your head. And then you have the adjustable straps at the nape of the neck. This wig cap construction is very common in the Amore Collection. Almost all of the wigs have one just like this, so it's very comfortable to wear right on your bald head, or if you choose to wear a wig cap, that works as well. The last of the new Amore wigs that came out for 2020 is the one that I'm wearing now, which is called Sybil in the color Ginger Brown. Now, this wig features a brand new type of cap construction as part of the Amore Collection. It's similar to the ones that I've shown so far with a few differences. This wig features a new advanced lace cap construction, which still features the double monofilament part, so that you can change the hair however you want and still have that very natural looking scalp effect. This wig also features a lace front for that really natural looking hairline, but it has an extended lace front, so it goes a little bit farther past, which you'll be able to see more clearly once I show you the inside of the cap construction. But whereas some of the other lace front wigs that I've shown have the lace from about here to here, this one has it from about here to here. So you have just a little bit wider of the lace front styling option. This wig is also hand tied. I'll show you the difference between Sybil and some of the other wigs that I've shown in this video. So they're very similar. It has the double monofilament wig cap and the lace front. However, it's an extended lace front, so it goes a little bit farther past the front. So if you look at the side-by-side comparison of Sybil and Tate, with Sybil, you just get a little bit of an extension of that lace front so that you just have a little bit wider of that natural looking hairline. Now, if you look at the back of Sybil, it is a hand-tied cap, so it's more of a closed netting, very soft and comfortable on the back of your head, whereas with Tate, you have kind of this open wefting. Both are very comfortable, and it's really just up to your personal preference on which kind of cap style you prefer. Sybil, of course, also has the adjustable straps at the nape of the neck, but in this case it has a soft velvet piece on the back with Velcro attachments as opposed to the plastic type of attachments. But they work just the same, with pulling it evenly on each side to tighten the wig cap. With all these different features, this wig is just very, very easy and realistic looking, so that no matter how you kind of push the hair back or part it to the side, it just always will look very natural, and it's also a nice, very manageable, easy style. This wig is just about the same length all the way around, except for a slightly shorter kind of side bang in the front. And here is a 360 of Sybil. This is a wig style that I could very easily see becoming one of my favorite all-time wigs because it's just a nice, easy, manageable style for a go-to everyday wig. Even though I change up my wigs on pretty much a daily basis, I do always like to have one wig on hand that I can just throw on and not even have to worry about styling or anything, and this definitely falls into that category. I know that if I wake up in the morning and I'm in a rush and I want something to just throw on really quickly that I know is just going to look good and natural no matter what, this is definitely going to fall into that category. I really like this side bang that you can kind of wear to the front, just slightly off to the side like that, or you can kind of push it back and out of your face. And you really kind of have that flexibility to push it back out of your face because of that really nice extended lace front. So if you wanted to, you could even kind of push it back and just kind of clip it back here, and that would be a really cute style to wear as well. Between this hairstyle and the way it has the layers and the extended lace front, this wig just falls and flows so naturally. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you're all just as excited about the new Amore wig collection as I am, because all 4 of these styles are probably very quickly going to become some of my all-time favorite wig styles. Let me know in the comments below which of the 4 new wigs is your favorite. Do you think you're gonna get any of these styles? And if you want to read any more details about the different specs of these wigs, then definitely visit our website, reneofparis.com. Go to the Amore tab to check out the brand new catalog, as well as all of the specs of the new wigs and all of the different colors that they come in. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram at reneofparis to stay up to date on all of our latest releases and check out all of our wig tips and tutorials. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.